Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to take you on journey to one of the most amazing historical sites in Sri Lanka, Parakrama Samudraya, and the status of the great King Parakramabahu the First. The engineering skills used here are truly amazing, showing how advanced ancient Lanka was in irrigation and construction technology. It is large man-made reservoir that collect rainwater and channels it throughout a network of small tank and canal to irrigated paddy field. Friends, you can see the calm water and the beautiful surrounding make Parakrama Samudraya. This is not only an agricultural wonder but also a peaceful tourist destination. Parakrama Samudraya has an advanced ancient irrigation system built by King Parakramabahu the Great to supply water for agriculture in Polonnaruwa. It is surrounded by lush greenery beauty of nature and the brilliance of ancient engineering. Okay friends, let's see about Galvihara. It is the one of the historical place in Polonnaruwa. Wow, this is amazing. We are standing in front of the great Buddha statues. Look at the beauty of these three position statues. The first one is seated Buddha, second one is standing Buddha, third one is reclining Buddha. This is the seated Buddha. These statues represent the moment of the enlightenment under the Bodhi tree. And another is standing Buddha. It reflected calmness, empathy and patience. Last one is reclining Buddha. This is shows peace after death, freedom from the cycle of birth and rebirth. Let's see more historical place in Polonnaruwa. In here we can see this elevated terrace is known as Daladamaluwa. This place called Vattadage. This is one of the architectural marvels in Polonnaruwa. It was constructed to protect a sacred relic, possibly the tooth relic of the Buddha. The temple stands on a raised stone platform with two terraces surrounded by a round stone wall. At the top, there are four seated Buddha statues facing the four directions. This place called to Hetadage. This is the temple of the tooth built by King Nisangamalla. It is said that it is called Hetadage because it was built within 60 hours. Thank you so much for watching video. Don't forget like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.